The Wimbledon Lawn Tennis Museum and Tour offers an incredible insight into the history and grandeur of the prestigious Wimbledon Tennis Championships, one of the oldest and most iconic tennis tournaments in the world. Take a guided tour that offers behind-the-scenes access to the grounds and visit the museum, which offers a deep dive into the sport's rich history with an extensive collection of memorabilia. Grand Slam starts with 128 men and 128 women, with 104 men and 104 women from the top-ranked players. 16 men and 16 women come to the tournament by qualifying the week before. 8 of each gender are wild cards. There are 18 grass tournament courts and 20 grass practice courts, for a total of 38 grass courts on a 42-acre site. Grass season is very short, it runs from the middle of May to the middle of September. There are 500 club members, and they are allowed to play on the tournament courts. During a tournament, the groundsmen mow every court every day. Court number 1 was built in 1997. The roof was added in 2019 and takes 7 minutes to close. This court is used only 2 weeks each year. The Davis Cup was hosted here 2007 to 2008. Harris Hawk Rufus flies every morning at 4 a.m. He is 16 years old and can live to 35 years. He also works at other sports stadiums and Westminster Abbey for royal weddings. Mark Reed is a British sculptor and created this unique piece in 2023. It took 6,000 hours to complete and weighs 1.4 tons. The leaves are made from stainless steel. Henman Hill is named after British player Tim Henman. Here, crowds of people without show court tickets can watch the tennis matches live on a giant television screen at the site of number 1 court. Center Court at Wimbledon is the most iconic and prestigious tennis court in the world. It is famous for hosting the finals of Wimbledon, one of the 4 Grand Slam tournaments. Center Court is known for its distinctive grass surface, which is a hallmark of Wimbledon, and its capacity of around 15,000 spectators. The court is surrounded by a large stadium with a retractable roof installed in 2009, allowing matches to continue even in rainy weather.